And for problem 1, you need to identify the sine, cosine, and tangent for each of these. So the first thing we'll do, make sure you're in the correct mode. We're in degree mode here. And then it's just a matter of using the functions. Sine of 30 degrees, I'll put a decimal in there so my answer is displayed as a decimal. So the sine is 0.5. And I'm going to go ahead and go through and perform the sines for each of these measures. So the sine of 45 degrees is 0.7071. Sine of 60 degrees is 0.8661. Sorry, 0.8660. Next is 90 degrees, a value of 1. (15 degrees), 0.2588. 47 degrees, 0.7314. (100 degrees), 0.9848. And 212. Negative 0.5299. So those are your sines. And we can come back and do the cosines for each of these. Again, I'll enter cosine. Start with 30 degrees. Again, I'll put a decimal here. 0.8660. 45 degrees, 0.7071. 60 degrees, 0.5. 90 degrees, 0. 15 degrees, 0.9659. 47 degrees, 0.6820. 100 degrees, negative 0.71736. And 212 degrees, negative 0.8480. Finally, for tangent, we simply enter the tangent of each of these angle measures, starting with 30, and put a decimal in there again, and we get 0.5774. For 45 degrees, we get a value of 1. For 60 degrees, we get 1.732. 1. For 90 degrees, it's undefined. For 15 degrees, 0.2679. 47 degrees, 1.0723. Oops, it's rounded up to 24. For 100 degrees, negative 5.6713. And finally, for 212, it is 0.6249. And so those would be your calculated values.